Hey, Sakafit guys, if I told you airdrop, you'd be instantly be rapping about how deeply you would entangle into the Apple ecosystem, like sending videos to your AirPods Pro for it to edit while you're using your MacBook Pro as a speaker for your iPad Pro, and you'll say it's so convenient, right? And it is, if you're using more than one Apple device. Now, what about you? Android users out there, you have around 71% of market share in the mobile device department, so you too sure have your own version of that Skynet drop, right? Sadly, most of the time when I ask someone to send me something, they either do so by using WhatsApp or they are likely to ask me to activate Bluetooth. Sure, the latter is convenient, every smartphone has Bluetooth, but it's slow as heck. FTP or other sharing apps or even USB 2.0 cables are also good, but they are far from being convenient. Tell me how many family members of yours can create and open FTP server? So, for the millions of you out there not knowing that there is an airdrop-like feature in every Android device, please watch this. It's called Nearby Share, and you can find it by going to Settings, Google, Device and Connection, then Nearby Share. A faster way to do this is to pull down the notification shade and to press the edit button and then add the Nearby Share tile. You can now access it by long pressing on it and go straight to the settings. You can choose your account here and also your phone number, visibility, and the way you want your file to be shared. My favorite option is without internet because the Wi-Fi direct connection between the two devices happens faster that way. I don't know why. Now to the sharing part. You select your file from anywhere, everywhere you want, press the share button, then Nearby Share. It'll activate your GPS, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth if they're not already enabled. In the other smartphone, if they are not already enabled too, you can manually activate them or just press the Nearby Share tile and your phone will be discoverable. And there you'll be able to send any files or link directly to the other phone, and they will be available in the download folder. Oh, hey, if you stayed till the end, don't forget to drop a like and smash that subscribe button while pressing the notification bell. My name is Kensei, you're here for the tech, and this is Green Insider.